everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new, you are highly welcome. Now, how are you doing and how is your day? Okay, so in today's video I'm excited to show you an anti-aging remedy, antioxidants, and an age renew remedy. Now this remedy is actually going to help you to remove all of those age related problems on your skin, and you are gonna be looking really fresh, glowing, and toned. Yeah, okay, so let's get into the video without wasting any more time. But don't forget to thumbs up the video and don't forget to also subscribe. Yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so to look after your age, you need this ingredients that I'm going to be showing you. Not only banana, but the first ingredients which I'm going to be showing you is banana. Okay, so we're gonna be taking banana meat itself. This time we don't need the banana peel. So what we're going to do here is that we're going to either blend it or we would create it or make sure it is blended. Yeah, so however you want to do yours, it's fine. So this is properly blended, and now we're gonna be transferring this into a bowl. This is going to make you look super duper young, like super duper younger than your age. Okay, so the next ingredient, which is very important, is yogurt. Now yogurt is a great remedy that contains lactic acid in it. With the lactic acid, it helps to remove all of those ageness, roughness, and wrinkled skin. Yeah, so this is going to really help to improve your skin and make your skin look really glowing. Okay, so this is it, and we have our next ingredient, which is tomato. Now tomato is a great ingredient that helps to make the skin look young. It helps to remove all unwanted hair, and it also helps to make the skin look excellently smooth because it reduces the large pores. So how we're going to do this now is that we're gonna be cutting this into our blender. Put it in. Okay guys, so this is properly blended, and now we'll be turning it into this home remedy, and then we're gonna give that a stir. And this is superb, guys. Like, this is so good. Yeah. Okay, so another ingredient which is very important is honey. Now you have to get organic honey to make this ingredient really superb. Now honey is a great moisturizing agent to the skin that helps to maintain an even clear, younger and a smooth skin. Okay, so we're going to be putting 1 tablespoon, and honey helps to moisturize your skin. For your skin to look young again, you would have to also put in honey in whatever treatment you are using. Yeah. Okay, so the last ingredient is egg, and we're gonna be needing some egg whites. Yeah, we're gonna be needing the egg whites because it helps to tighten up the skin. If you're having a loose skin, it helps to maintain a clear, even and a smooth skin. So I'm gonna be breaking it, and then gonna be taking in the whites, just a little of those whites, and then our ingredients is complete. Like, you need a baby face, or you're having a roughness on your face, try this because you're going to be loving it. Like, I am smiling mixing these ingredients because it is superb. It would really help to polish up your skin and make you look extra young. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay everyone, so this is actually going to make you look half your age. So I actually refrigerated it, yeah, and that's how it is, like this. Okay, so I'm going to be getting a brush. Yeah, so you're going to be using a brush on this, and then you're going to be applying this. Give this a generous application all over your face. Okay, so for you to lift up all of those roughness, dry skin and whatnot, you would have to massage, like scrub. Okay, you have to scrub your face. And I love to scrub my face when I apply this natural remedy. It helps to rejuvenate and make my skin feel really smooth, and it also helps to get this treatment into my skin, therefore making it look really smooth. Yeah. Okay, so after scrubbing, like, I love the way this is on my skin. Yeah, it's so sweet. Like, I love the feeling. Yeah, so I'm actually going to be rubbing it again. Okay guys, so after doing this, then you can leave it for at least 3 to 5 minutes if you can. Okay, and this is actually going to get into your skin really good, and it's going to help to brighten up your skin. Yeah, so it's going to work in rejuvenating and make your skin soft. Like, my skin is so soft, like right now. Yeah, it's so super soft, and I'm loving the feeling. So that's it guys, this is so amazing. Like, I really love this, and it is so soothing on my skin. Like, anytime I make an ingredient like this and I refrigerate it, you know, it is so lovely. Like I so much love the way it is on my skin. Like this actually helps me, you know, glow. So go try this out, and I'm sure you're going to be loving it too. Okay guys, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching the video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again. Bye guys.